Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are new on this channel and you are yet to subscribe, quickly hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make men's cap or Awolowo cap, and I'm going to be needing my Satin Fabric, Cariboard. This is known as Cariboard, and it can be gotten from a shoemaker shop in the market. I will also be needing Evosic gum or shoemaker gum. I'll be needing ruler, an old toothbrush to apply the gum, measurement tape, a pair of scissors, a pen, matching color of thread and needle, lining fabric, 1/4 inch foam. This foam can be gotten from a furniture shop or those that are into woodwork. Now let's jump right into the tutorial. I will start off by cutting the Cariboard. I will measure and cut out 23 inches, which is the edge circumference. That's the 23 inches by 2.5 inches. The width of the cap or the height of the cap is 2.5 inches. I will mark that out and then I'll use my ruler to trace it. Then after, I'll cut at the 23 inches by 2.5 inches. I will also cut out another piece of Cariboard. This Cariboard measures 2.5 inches by 2 inches. I will apply my Evosic gum to that particular Cariboard. I want to apply this generously. After applying the gum, I will give it time to dry up a bit. Then I'll place it on the Cariboard like so. The bigger Cariboard that measures 23 inches by 2.5 inches, I'm going to form a circle with that, and then I'll use that smaller Cariboard to hold it down like so. So I want to give that a good press. I may just want to use my scissors to do that. I will set that aside and cut the Satin fabric. I will measure and cut out 24 inches of Satin fabric. So the length of the Cariboard I cut out initially was 23. So I'm going to add extra 1 inch to the fabric I'm going to be cutting at. Then I will use my lighter to just burn that edge to prevent it from fraying too much before I continue. Now I will place both tip of the Satin fabric like so. Then I'm going to be stitching this part. Now you may want to use your needle and your thread to stitch, or you stitch with your sewing machine. So for the purpose of those that do not have access to a sewing machine or will not be able to stitch with a sewing machine, this is how to go about it. So I'm doing a back stitches on the fabric. You want to pay close attention to what I'm doing on the screen to understand this process. Okay, so I'm going to take my needle backward like so, and then I'll bring it forward. Can you see that? So this is how I'm going to go about stitching the fabric. Like I said, you can use your sewing machine to stitch instead. Okay, so when I'm done stitching, I'm going to place the fabric like so. I will apply gum to that tip, and then I will press that part down. Can you see? So you want to give that a good press. I'll also do that for the other side of the fabric. I'll turn the fabric to the other side. I'll apply gum and then I'll press that part down. Now I will turn the fabric to the right side. Then I will get my round carry board and insert it into the fabric like so. So after inserting that, I will apply my gum to one fabric. So this is how you want to go about applying the gum. Can you see that? So after applying the gum, I'll press that, or I'll fold in the fabric. So you want to fold neatly. You drag that to have a sharp edge. If there's any part that is not that does not have gum, you just have to apply more gum and then you press it down neatly. Okay, so that's it. I will apply gum to the other parts now. Can you see? I will apply gum to that part now, and then after I'm going to fold that in. So you want to be careful to avoid gum stains on your work. So this is what I've been able to achieve. I'll get the 1/4 inch foam and place my work on the foam like so. So you may want to use or shape this to either an oval shape or a round shape. Then you use your pen to mark the shape out. Then after, I'm going to get my measurement tape and extend that with 1 inch. In other words, we are adding 1 inch allowance that will enable us fold in that part when we are done. So after doing that, I'm going to get my scissors and cut out the foam. Now I will use the foam to get the measurement of the lining fabric. I'll place the lining fabric on the foam like so. Then I will get my chalk or my pen. Then I'm going to mark that out and then cut out the shape. So this is my lining fabric. This is going to serve as my lining fabric. Now I'll get another fabric. This fabric measures 9 inches, or you may want to cut out 10 inches. There's no specific measurement. Just get something that will be able to cover the foam. So I'm going to apply my gum now to this part of the fabric. You may want to stitch that. So basically I want to join this fabric to the other fabric, but if you have access to a sewing machine, please stitch. Okay, so I'm going to place that. Can you see? So I'll give that a good press. Then I'll apply gum to the foam. So I will apply my gum generously to the foam. After applying gum to the foam, I'm going to place the fabric on the foam like so. Then I'll give that a good press. You want to press that down very well to smoothen it. And then after, I'm going to get my scissors to trace out the shape of the foam. After cutting out the excess fabric, I'll get my matching color of thread and needle, and then I'll be making a running stitches on the foam like so. After making the running stitches, I'll cut out the excess thread and then I'll apply gum to this part of my work. Can you see that? So I want to apply this generously. Now I will turn that part where I applied my gum to the other side. Then I will place the foam inside my work like so. Then I'm going to press this down and arrange it. Can you see? So you want to drag that with both ends. Can you see the way I'm dragging it? So you pull out the foam and the fabric on top, then you use your hand to drag. You drag like so, then you arrange it neatly. So you want to be careful to avoid gum stains on your work. Can you see? So you pull and drag that to smoothen it. Okay, so this is it. Can you see? So I have some gum stains there. I will have to clean that up when I'm done. So now I will apply gum to this part of the foam, or I'll apply gum to the foam inside. Then I'm going to be covering it with my lining fabric. So you want to apply this generously. After applying the gum, I'll place the lining fabric on my work like so. I'm using a lycra lining as my lining fabric. You may want to use a satin fabric. So I'm going to arrange it like so. Then I'll get my gum and apply gum to. So I'll apply gum to this part. Then I'll press the fabric on it like so. After covering with the fabric, I have this. Can you see how neat that looks? Now I will get my elastic band to cover up that rough edges. So I'm going to apply my gum to this part. After applying the gum, I'll place the elastic band on my work like so. Can you see? So I'll press that down. So you want to be careful to avoid the gum stains. I will apply more gum to the other part. I'll cut out the excess elastic band, and this is the finished look of the Awolowo cap. Can you see that? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.